I'm doing some more work on Beastie today. Going to do the taco later, but going to do the distributor right now. Now I just want to hear what she sounds like right now. I hear the mist in her. Okay, so I just want to have a chat, and maybe someone else can clear something up for me, because I've always been led to believe this, and just not really too sure. Actually, it's just could be a wives' tale, but I was told by an old bloke, Johnny Russell, who's no longer with us, and only when I was a teenager as well. So I've always just gone with it. Is that when somebody cleans the points in a distributor cap, and they scratch the sides, that takes away the protective coating and allows arcing around the inside of the dizzy, and causes problems like the missing and so forth. Now, is that just a wives' tale, or is that fair income? So that's the reason why we're changing this, because fixing this old girl up, and the dizzy is all scratched inside, like somebody's had sandpaper in there. And what I've been shown is using a blade screwdriver. I'll just try and give you an example. Alright, so over time, the points here get a carbon build-up on them. Hopefully I'll do it the other way around so there's sunlight in it. Okay, so over time you get a carbon build-up on the points here. So the correct way to clean that off is with a small screw like this, sharp end, and just to scratch the carbon off and make it all nice and clean again. And that's how you do it, so you don't do any damage to the casing inside. But yeah, is that neither here or there, or is that something? That's what I'd like you guys to tell me, because I've always been led to believe you don't scratch the inside of the distributor. So anyway, we'll go ahead, we'll swap this out and start the car up again and have a listen to see if there's a difference. And in case you're wondering about what I'm doing here, so you got the spacers on the leads. I just wanted to make sure that the leads weren't arcing out, and so I just used a bit of plastic hose, what you use for the gardens, drilled some holes through it, put some cuts in it so I could put the leads through, and just space the leads apart like that. And I mean, like, I could have used garden hose, just drill the holes through, put slits in it, same deal, you know. Just a quick solution to keep the leads apart. Okay, so you got to hear it. It sounds exactly the same with the different distributors, so that didn't fix the problem. Now the next go-to is the plugs are new, the leads are not. So the next go-to is replacing the leads, and if that doesn't change nothing, then change the coil pack, and if you still have the problem, then probably have to replace the dizzy itself. But something in that area there is why it still has a miss. It's not a big miss, you don't really notice it when you're actually driving, it's just when you're idling. All right, well, till next time, guys. Cheers.